everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1970 AMC AMX. Of course, you know the AMC's made various multiple very unique vehicles such as the Gremlin, even so the fine AMX we have here. Even so, going to this mini little vehicle I'm surprised to drive, featuring a bittersweet orange. Yes, that is what they called it, and even so over 700,000 of them were made, but yet again it's very rare to see one of them today in this good of condition. But even so, looking at it, you will see we have the appropriate style 5-spoke wheels, we have upgraded white layer tires, even to show its vintage performance you have the scoop style hood. But yet again, for safety features, you do have that mirror on the driver's side and cool antenna going in the wind in the front, which as we look on the inside, we have that saddle slash tan interior. Looking from the front, you will see we have that wood grain cluster with everything working from our needle gauges and almost looking like it came off the factory line, with a working tachometer, speedometer, and yes, working clock. But even so, looking at our fine wood grain steering wheel, we have a working horn, which even so, only like in the Ford Mach 1s, comes exactly from the top, not dead center of the wheel. As for our shifter, we have the appropriate shift command shifter with the wood grain console. Looking across, you will see for a small vehicle, it does offer a lot of room. Even so, you will see for our audio system, we have an upgraded AM FM 2-knob radio. As for underneath the glove box, you will see you have your emergency, I like to call it sissy handle, because really in the old days you didn't need seat belts. You just need to have a good time and have your friends in the vehicle. But underneath, you will see a factory installed AC unit for your passengers so they don't complain about how fun it is in your car. But even so, one of the coolest things I thought about the AMC AMX was the glove box. And as we look in the glove box, you will see we have a few little papers there giving a summary, some little books that came with the car, and yes, even a previous registration. But feeling the seats, it is comfortable to have these fine vinyl bucket seats in our appearance. As for the door panels, you have your built-in window cranks. Driver's side, you have the control for the actual mirror. And yes, even so, the locks are one of the coolest things that are actually built in to the actual armrest. But as for the back, you don't have seats, you don't have to worry about it. All you have to worry about is having room. And yet again, you don't want no third wheeling getting in the way of you and your fun, which even so does take us to the engine bay, featuring that 360 motor. As you can see in that fine little color, it is as beautiful as the rest of the car, handling pretty well, as you can see as I'm getting on it right now. You can see the temperature is even good, fuel gauge is good, and the power is all there as needed. Which even so, when I first looked at the underside, I was impressed to see a car as clean as this. But as we take on the road right now, this is definitely the way we want to finish off a Friday in style. But as for now though, we are